Good afternoon. This video is to show you how to edit a Word document and how to upload it to your OneDrive folder. So if you go into a science task list and you have a document to edit, go in and click on that document, and it's going to download into the lower left-hand corner down here. Go ahead and click on that to open the document. Little processing delay here. Word's going to open your document. Go ahead and click Enable at the top so you can write in that document. I'm going to go ahead and make mine a little bit smaller so you can hopefully see. Okay. There's two ways you can edit this document. You can go in and you can say Insert. You can say Text Box. A simple text box is fine. And you can type into your document anything you want to, and you can save it that way. Another way to manipulate that document is Insert, or actually Draw, and pick a pen, and then you can draw in that document. Okay, those are two ways you can manipulate. Then you're going to want to do a File Save, and you're going to do a Save As. File Save As. You're going to go ahead and find your OneDrive folder. So click on OneDrive. Your 2020-2021 school year folder should come up. Click on that. You're going to go down and find your subject area folder. In this case, it's Science. Click on that. And then just click on Save. And it'll go right to your OneDrive folder, and then you can worry about uploading it to me in Canvas later, and I'll show you that in another video.